Welcome back to our tutorial for beginner programmers. In this video, we'll be discussing how to create classes and objects in programming. Let's start with the basics. A class is a blueprint for an object. Think of it like a set of instructions for creating a specific type of object. For example, you might create a class called Person that defines the properties and behaviors of a person. To create a class in your code, you'll use the class keyword followed by the class name like this. Inside the class, you'll define its properties and methods. Properties are like variables that hold data, while methods are like functions that can perform actions on that data. Let's add some properties to our Person class. Now let's add a method to our class. This method will allow us to print out a summary of the person's information. Now that we have our Person class defined, we can create objects from it. An object is an instance of a class, a specific version of the blueprint. To create an object, we'll use the class name followed by parentheses like this. We can then set the properties of the object using dot notation and call its methods like this. And that's it. You've now learned how to create classes and objects in programming. With this knowledge, you can start creating your own custom data types and building more complex programs. Thanks for watching and happy coding!